கேரளாவிலிருந்து வரும் ஷைனி. அவருக்கு தமிழ் சற்று சரளமாக வராது. அதனால் அவர் ஆங்கிலத்தில் தான் பேசுவார். சற்று பொறுத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள். மன்னிக்கு, மலையாளம் கலந்த ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசுவார்.
Pardon me, sir. Let me take pardon first of all to everyone. I'm not fluent in Tamil and I'm one-to-one பேச கொஞ்சம் கற்றுக்கிறாரு. Next year தமிழ்ல பேசுறது. Okay. So, warm good morning to everyone. Let me take this opportunity to first thank one and all our respected Sugi Sivam sir, Srinivasan sir, Chairman sir, and Deputy Chairman and the whole crew who made such a warm, wonderful gathering today. Thank you so much, sir. So let me introduce myself. I'm Shaini from Kerala and I'm sir's patient since 2015 due to depression, anxiety, panic attack, and my condition when I was here is I lost my sleep, I lost my talk, I lost how to smile even, and in a dilemma stage that full of fears, anxieties, and felt like ending my life even. But our sir's excellent treatment, warm care, then psychotherapy, counseling, occupational therapy, and even the great group therapy and the excellent books sir gave us had changes a miracle in me. I can say that now I am more positive, optimistic, seeing life as a beautiful and enjoying each and every moment of life. Then I became much more loving and warm mother, a wonderful wife, and so on. There is lots of professional and personal development. It's due to, and I can say it's because of KMCH, Dr. Srinivasan sir, and because of this disease. For us, Srinivasan sir is not only a doctor who cures a disease, but he's a loving mother, a responsible father, a caring brother, and a motivating teacher, more than a living God. For me, as far as I'm concerned, he's my best friend where I can share all my feelings, love, fears, my dreams, my happiness, everything. Thank you so much, sir. Now I wish to say something about his group therapy. His group therapy is a unique therapy that is done across the world itself. Nowhere in the world such a group therapy, such a structured group therapy is done with lots of people. They have kept every people under one umbrella. So it is a unique therapy, and inside this group therapy, wonders and miracles happens. I don't have any other words than miracles, because the people who experiences the benefits of group therapy, my dear friends, understand how the changes in each person has taken place. Okay, the first, when each person enters the group therapy, it's a feeling of aha. That is the first feeling, that is, I am not alone in this world with similar sufferings. That is the first feeling or first feedback that we get from the group therapy. Nowhere we get it from some other place. So, and we feel that there are many people along with us have similar sufferings, and this disease is curable. That is the first thing that we get it from group therapy. Then next is the positive feedbacks from the cured person and or the better person gives lots of confidence and self-esteem that it is possible. Even every person can come a better life. This disease is completely cured. Next is, as other person told, it is the sir has compiled a group of exercise that is done very systematically, which help to change the person or which make a transformation into a new person. That is, it's not just exercises just cure the disease, but make each person a different new person, learn to live each and every moment of their life. So it's, for me, is it, these exercises help me to learn relax, learn enjoy each and every moment of my life, then to live in the present, and for self-awareness and self-evaluation, then appreciation. Appreciation help me to build better and best good human relationship, improve my self-esteem, and when I wish to talk about his exercises and its effects, it will not be finished within 5 or 10 minutes. I can talk till in the evening. So just that much effect is there for the exercises. Next, the major thing is the books. Sir has introduced us the world's best self-help group that even screened by Dr. Srinivasan sir, and we would never have come across that books, we wouldn't have met Dr. Srinivasan sir. So thank you so much, sir, once again. Then coming to group therapies, like we are going to a group, something like a family function. We have lots of mothers, aunties, father, brothers, sisters, and lots of friends. We enjoy in the between the four walls of group therapy, and for that, thank you so much once again, the management committee of KMCH. We enjoy life once in a month inside this group therapy. Thank you, sir. As we said, it is our second home. Next, I wish to speak something about stigma and mental health or mental illness. As far as mental illness is considered, it is the most stigmatized disease, not only across the country but across the world. As if mentally ill person is being kept away from the society, as if the society is seen with a different eye, it seems. This causes lots of shame, doubt, and withdrawn and loneliness feeling for this mentally ill person. As far as our patient is considered, this stigma causes lots of troubles in patient, in family members, and even the society. For patient, stigma causes lack of support from family members, lack of support from the society. It lowers the self-esteem. They feel very withdrawn. They feel like even ending their life. The stigma itself causes the person to drown into the ground. And as far as society is also concerned, when the stigma is more, people never come for treatment. As many persons told, many people have reached Dr. Srinivasan after years and after years. This is basically due to stigma and also due to lack of awareness. So I wish like this should be the first step to swipe stigma from our society. So I wish there should be a time where there is no mentally ill patient wandering across the street. That can be possible only through early identification and proper treatment. That is through proper awareness. So let this be the first step so that the people identify or give awareness about mental illness. Through positive speaking, I think miracles happens. So I wish not only Deepika Padukone, but there are hundreds of people, my friends are there in front of me to talk for mental illness, mental health. So let us all put our hands together to fight against this so-called stigma from the society. Thank you so much.